In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a post on Substack step by step. By the end, you'll feel confident taking a draft from idea to inbox and web with a smooth, stress-free workflow. First, sign into your Substack account and head to your dashboard. This is your home base where you manage posts, subscribers, and settings. When you are ready, click the orange New Post button that opens the editor where you'll do all of your writing and formatting. Start by adding a clear, compelling headline. Think of it as your promise to the reader: short, specific, and accurate. Then move into the body of your post. The Substack editor is flexible. You can write plain text, add images to break up sections, embed videos for demonstrations. Include audio for podcasts or clips, and even insert buttons to drive actions like visiting a page or checking out a resource. Use basic formatting like subheadings and short paragraphs to make your post skimmable. If you add media, make sure it supports the story you are telling and loads quickly for readers. When your content looks good, click Continue to move to the Publication Settings screen. This is where you decide how the post reaches your audience. Choose who can read the post. You can make it available to everyone, limit it to paid subscribers, or share it with free subscribers. If you are building momentum or announcing something broadly, everyone is a great choice. If it's a premium essay or bonus episode, select paid subscribers. For community updates without paywall restrictions. Free subscribers keeps it accessible while rewarding your list. Next, decide how to publish. You can send the post via email to subscribers and publish it on the web at the same time. Or publish to the web only. Email delivery is ideal for timely content and higher engagement. Web only is helpful for reference pages or content you'll link to later without filling inboxes. If you don't want to publish immediately, set a schedule. Pick a specific date and time for the post to go live. Consider your time zone and when your readers are most active. Scheduling helps you batch work while maintaining a consistent cadence. Before you finalize, review everything. Headline, formatting, links, images, and audience selection. When you are ready, click Send to Everyone now to publish immediately, or choose Schedule to lock in your selected time. That's it, your post is live or queued and ready to go. Thanks for watching.